morning, dudes, when ladies, welcome back to freaking D Willie's channel, bro. We out here catching dubs, snatching dubs. You already know what it is, but yeah, bro, we back with another flipping video. It's like February 5th, yeah. I believe it'll be February 5th, and you guys seen this 2019. Make your dreams come true, kids. That's all you gotta do. Make your dreams come true. That's all you got to do. Make your dreams come true, kids. But yeah, you guys already know it's lit. We out here catching dubs. But anyways, welcome back. I want you guys right now, if you haven't already, go down below, smash that subscribe button, hit that like button. You already know, bro. And we out here. You guys are gonna see my dirt bike, see what I do out here, how we catch dubs. We're gonna do all that. So let's get in there. Yo, what's back? I'm back. All right, what's up, people? Yeah, I told you guys I was gonna show you my dirt bike. There she is. She is B-A-U. B-A. I cannot spell beautiful, bro. I've never been able to do it. Spelling tests in like first grade, I can never do it. It's B-E-A-U-T-full. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, smash the subscribe button. Anyways, yeah, bro, there she is. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys some pictures of it. And then we're gonna get into the compilation. So let's do that thing. It's gonna be lit. Alright guys, that's the vid. Hopefully you like it. You know, smash the subscribe button. It'll be right there. Yeah, smash it, dude. Smash that freaking subscribe button. Join the movement. Yeah, bro, I'm out here getting lit every day. Yeah. Oh, and by the way, in the video, it makes my dirt bike look super slow, but it's not. Pretty fast, to be honest. And yeah, also, my jumps, I have not rode on in like 8 years. So yeah, they're a little grassy. And yeah, all right, I'm gonna get out of this helmet, show you guys some epic